Hey guys, did you know that neglecting your leather baseball glove can affect your game on the field? Well, most gloves are made from leather, and whether you're in the outfield, infield, or pitcher, without proper care, your glove can become stiff, less responsive, and ultimately hinder your performance. But with today's tutorial, we're going to show you exactly how to care for your leather glove with Eagle's new glove care kit so you can enhance your grip, extend the life of your gear, and set up your performance to league-winning levels. With this kit, you'll get a microfiber cloth, glove conditioner, glove oil, glove cleaner, and applicator brush to apply everything properly. To set up, let's brush off any dirt, dust, and debris so that as we clean, we're not grinding dirt into the leather causing damage or scratches. You can take the applicator brush and brush off anything or use the microfiber cloth. Once all the debris is removed, we're going to use the glove cleaner. This is going to remove any dirt or dust particles deep within the leather pores, providing us a well-cleaned glove ready for conditioning. Make sure to thoroughly clean the glove. A little goes a long way, but don't be afraid to use more if needed. Obviously, this glove is so dry it is soaking up the cleaner, exactly why it needs to be conditioned. Once the leather has been cleaned off, be sure to wipe off any excess with a microfiber cloth as much as possible and leave until dry. Once it's dried, it's time to use the 100% natural glove oil to condition and soften your mitt. Apply the glove oil to your cloth and then evenly throughout your glove. If you don't, you can actually cause some parts of the glove to break in disproportionately, which will result in an uncomfortable and less responsive baseball mitt. This will darken your leather, but will provide the conditioning needed for top-tier performance on the field. And once it's been thoroughly and evenly applied, wait until dry. Lastly, let's apply the leather conditioning cream. Now, you're probably going to ask yourself, what's the difference between the glove oil and the glove conditioner? Well, the glove oil penetrates into the leather's pores, providing flexibility on a deep level, as well as softening your leather so you can comfortably make that winning catch. The glove conditioner, on the other hand, nourishes and protects the top layer of the leather, and it adds flexibility, but also protects your glove from the harsh sun and prevents creasing and cracking over time. I'd say to regularly care for your leather gloves, you'll more regularly use the glove conditioner than the glove oil, but both are necessary when needed. Do keep in mind that the more oil and conditioner you use for your gloves, the heavier your glove will be. So if you're looking to keep your gloves lightweight while you're on the move, just add a little less. After you've applied the glove conditioner, you can optionally massage your baseball glove to better disperse the products through the leather. And by doing so, you'll feel the huge difference from what it was just a few moments ago. Definitely want to find that balance between having a well-conditioned soft leather glove that's flexible and lightweight so you can be fast on the field. From there, go ahead and let it dry and then wipe off any excess before use. If done properly, you shouldn't feel any greasiness or stickiness on your gloves, and your gloves should feel like new, if not better. Additionally, it will dry lighter in colors, as well as become lighter in weight as those oils and moisture evaporate over time. And I know you guys can't feel it, but hopefully you can see how flexible, supple, and moisturized this glove is as a result of Eagle's products. It made a world of a difference, and caring for your leather like this is what sets apart novices from pros on the field, so definitely consider checking out eagleshoecare.com. And as always, I wanted to get you guys a discount, so Eagle was generous enough to provide a 20% discount and free shipping when you use my code AVUMMIES at checkout. And if you already have one of these products and don't need the entire kit, you can also purchase them separately. Either way, if you guys take good care of your leather goods, they'll take care of you for years to come. All right, guys, that is a wrap. Drop a comment below if you feel a huge difference in the softness and appearance of your glove. And if you got value out of this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to keep your leather looking good and feeling great. Thank you guys so much for watching, and keep those gloves in prime condition for the best performance on the field. Remember to love your leather.